said before, guys, beyond meat, we got a huge wick for today. Who bought this dip at the market open? We're going to discuss the price action for today because, as we said before, this is really strong support that we should hold over the 81, where we broke from it last time and squeezed from it. The buyer is still holding the price, and that's why we have a huge wick right at the market open. Let me just show you closely. This wick, guys, this is the one that I'm talking about. We have a really good reversal, and we reverse from this dip almost 12%. Before we go further, again, guys, remember our content always for educational purposes only. So as we said, beyond meat, we have a really good reversal. Last time we discussed beyond meat, we discussed this seller around this level, around the $1.05. We didn't hit the $1.08 because the $1.08 we have a huge seller. That's why we pull it back. Today, the market pulling back for the whole market. We have bearish markets. However, the market for Beyond Meat held, as we discussed before. If we have a pullback, 10%, 7%, we need to hold over the 82. And that's what we saw today. We have a huge wick and the price reverse once we tested this support. And this is a good reaction for the market maker. And who bought? This dip, of course, the same buyer who bought here around this breakout on the 82 is still holding their position. So that's why the short seller cover here, because found a strong support. And now how we're going to confirm that we're going to have a reversal up is by breaking now over, yes, over the 91 this time in order to go toward the 108 the next time. So we got a seller here, we have to break him around the 92 in order to go toward the $1 over the $1 once again. The good thing, as we said, guys, we have a big buyer here over this support, the 82. So we have the 82 and the 92. 82 as a support, 92 as a seller place to cover again in order for us to go toward the 108 and 125 potentially, because last time we did the jump, we did 30%. If we jumped right now, we might do 45%. This will be the second squeeze for Beyond Meat for March, because March just started, and hopefully we're gonna have a good start for this month. Let me know, guys, what you think about the price action for Beyond Meat. Where are we gonna go? Are we gonna hold over the $1 or not? Because last time we tested the $1 and the price pulled back very quick.